This is my face just 3 days after brushing with a moisturizer and using a toothbrush. Yeah, there's this brushing thingy. Today I want to try some hacks I've seen, and I've already tried this one, bathing with bicarbonate of soda, and honestly I think I've only done it once, and I saw some improvement in the texture of my face. So today I want to do it, I want to combine this one, just a little bit of it, plus my cleanser, and then I'll do the brushing. There's this thing people are brushing their face, it's kind of exfoliating, and I want to see whether it works, so come with me. So first of all, this one I only use a little bit. Then I'm gonna mix it. I hope the mixture is good. Just a little bit of bicarbonate soda. So this brush is very soft. It's different from the normal brushes. For these, I think these are commonly found in supermarkets. I've yet to see a super soft one in the supermarkets. This one I got from Miniso, and it's very soft. So I had been using it to brush my teeth, and I want to try it to exfoliate my face. Okay. Because it's the first time I just want to use some little bit of the products, especially the bicarbonate soda, but I think with the cleanser I can add a little bit more. Yeah, I think with the cleanser I can do a little bit more. I've seen people brushing outwards, so what I knew about cleansing is the forehead. You know, like when you wash you or you put in your moisturizer, like this. I think they say it reduces the laugh lines. But the brushing, some people brushing it outwards, so let's see. I'm not a person who normally follows some of these trends. Actually, most of the trends. I'm not a trend person. The only trends I think I can try, I try are fashion wise, fashion fits. But things to do with the face, I'm a little bit adamant because, I just don't like things backfiring on my face, and especially my eyes. My eyes are quite sensitive. Being a myopia girly, and also I'm sensitive to, they're sensitive to strong scents. So I normally take a lot of care in what I'm applying on my face, because I'm a special needs. Girlies who wear specs, we are special needs people actually. We are embodied differently. Our eyes are embodied differently, but mine are not so, my case is not really that serious. I wear I wear glasses consistently, and I've seen improvement with my eyesight. But just the other day, I wanted to try the contact lenses, because sometimes when I'm wearing I'm in a wig, my mosquito wig, and then putting on the glasses, mosquito inaumia. So I wanted to try the oh, okay, look, wow, this is actually some dirt. Oh, and I had washed it the normal way. Jeez, so this kind of works. It's exfoliating. So so I went to try the contact lenses, so that sometimes the glasses also, you feel like kinda you don't wanna wear them, or when I'm on a wig. So I went, and not such good news, because the doctor told me, yeah, you see, my eyes, there are those, you see, the pupil, and you see the white part. The white part, mine is not so clear. Like there are some cream white, like casts. I don't know whether you can see near the pupil here. So like those are like when I wore the contact lens, it's like they're uncomfortable. This is my lazy eye, very lazy. The prescription for this eye is higher than this one. This one is better off. So this one is also worse with the white cast, and that white cast, when you are with contact lens, it's very uncomfortable. You feel like something is guzai your eyes. So the doctor told me there's a possibility I exposed myself in the sun a lot, and that's true. I'm outdoors. I'm so much outdoors. Yes, I do wear my sunglasses, but sometimes I remove them. And I also visit very hot places like Mombasa. I'm a fan of Mombasa, and honestly, in as much as I wear on glasses continuously, sometimes they just feel like no. So, and also I think also before that, I used to walk a lot, and I exposed myself a lot in the sun. So the doctor said because of that I have these white casts. Nothing to worry about, but he was saying that I should take care, you know, and try and use my, because I'm also photosensitive. So she recommended I use, on top of my glasses, I try, there are some with the clip-ons. The glasses nowadays, there are some that come with the clip-ons. So the clip-ons is an added layer of it's like what do you call it? Sunglasses, you know. So on top of the prescription glasses, I put on the clip-ons when I'm out for long periods on the sun, to reduce the sun exposure from my eyes. So and then she said if the white casts continue, like they become a little bit more, they can cause there's something called I can't remember well, but they can be removed via surgery. So she was like, you know what, the glasses, the contact lenses, they won't help me much because of that discomfort. So she was like, you use them for like 2 hours. I don't recommend, she doesn't recommend them me using for more than 2 hours. So yeah, okay, anyway, that was a side story. But yeah, let's exfoliate. I don't know whether I've exfoliated for long, but I saw the girlies because we were telling some stories. Let's concentrate a little bit so that I can cleanse it. That's enough. So let me cleanse them, cleanse the face. And this is how the brush looks after. You can see. Okay. Let me tell you, the face feels so smooth. Okay, I had this thing, this thingy. I had been using it once in a while. This one also exfoliates really well, but with the brush is okay. No. Okay, I'll do this I think once a week or once in 2 weeks. Yeah, once in 2 weeks or once a week. I don't know. I'll look at what's the recommended number of times you should do. And then now I'm feeling Usually I've been using this niacinamide hydrating face cream, but I think I've also been trying glycerin, pure glycerin. Pure glycerin is also a good moisturizer, so I'm wondering which one should I use. This is also good because I like the ones that are unscented, the unscented ones, because of my eyes completely react to strong scents in the face. Okay, I feel like with such kind of exfoliation, I also have coconut oil. I think I'll use the glycerin. Yeah, let me use the glycerin. Oh yeah, I've decided to use this. It's also been a while since I used a facial mask. This one has hyaluronic acid with vitamin A, so this is a good one. It's a good moisturizer, so I'm gonna put this on and then I'll see how the week goes, how my face will be feeling and looking as the week goes. It's so cold, but it feels so awesome. It's cold. Oh. Oh. Yep, this one will hydrate well. Nikona homa. This one will hydrate well. So I'm gonna leave it for like 10 minutes and then remove it. Feels so nice. I hope this hack works. So I left it for 15 minutes. Yeah, it's recommended between 15 to 20 minutes. So honestly, the face feels so nice. Now I'm gonna gently massage. really feels so nice. Yeah, ready for bed, ready for bed. I'm gonna be doing these like I don't know whether once a week is too often or not. I think once fortnightly, yeah, after 2 weeks. Good night. I'll give a review. Another simple hack for or like do it yourself kind of a thing for ensuring for like whitening your teeth or removing maybe if you're a person who takes tea or coffee more often, you realize that your teeth tends to stain, like it has that brown kind of a stain. So bicarbonate soda is really good for, you know, just whitening or brightening your teeth. I'm a tea and a coffee person, so this one I have been doing it for a while, and it's really nice. So you just take a I think this one I do it once in a while, you know, it's not a regular kind of a thing, but once in a while. Yeah, so this one is the one one of those things I listen to my ancestors. Nikikakaa kidogo, I'm like, been a while since I used bicarbonate soda for brushing my teeth. So this one is enough. So it's a good substitute for toothbrush, toothpaste. But this is like once in a while. I think maybe I do like once a month or sometimes after 2 months, you know. Yeah. Yep. Feels really nice. So for those who normally ask me the secret to, you know, my non-stained teeth, you know, they're not really like white, crystal white. I think the crystal white teeth are veneers, or for lack of a better word, artificial teeth. Yeah, because I mean, you're eating, okay, I don't know, not so sure, but I've given you that hack. So now you know there's other uses of bicarbonate of soda. This is different from baking soda. They can be used together or separately for baking. But I think bicarbonate of soda gives much more in terms of baking. I think a mix would be good when you're baking cake or either. But this one is a little bit I think this is a little bit better. So now you should not lack this in your kitchen. It has several benefits. So you can use it for exfoliating not only the face but also the body. Yeah, when you're bathing, once in a while you mix this one with just the normal soap. You can just put a little bit in your hand, and then you paka your sabuni, and then you paka your kisuguo sabuni, then sprinkle it, and use it for exfoliating the face and the body. The other use now is for brushing your teeth once in a while. Yep. Let's do this some other time. I think probably after 2 weeks for the face. This for the teeth after 2 or 3 months. It's a good exfoliator. So I tried it, and this is the 3rd day. My face just has vitamin C and vitamin C serum and glycerin as a moisturizer, and honestly it feels so soft. It's not drying out as it used to, and I feel amazing. So I'll do the brushing thingy for after 2 weeks for 3 months consistently, and yeah, get to see how the results are. So works. It works. And then my teeth, after using brushing with the bicarbonate of soda, this one I knew. This one I've been using it. And for those who ask me the secret to unstained or white teeth, there you have it, guys. Stay with me for more hacks. Yeah. I feel awesome. Clock it.